Isosceles triangles, we have two theorems that come from those properties. The first one is called the base angles theorem. So remember, those are those angles that have the side as a base, so down here. And that says if two sides of a triangle are congruent, then the angles opposite of them are also congruent. So basically what it's saying is that if I have a triangle and it's marked that I have two sides congruent, then I can automatically say that the angles opposite of them, so when I say opposite, that's like right here and right here, those two angles are going to be congruent. So if I have two sides that are congruent, automatically the angles opposite of them are also congruent. So in this picture, that would mean that angle B is congruent to angle C. And I can automatically say that because of these sides being congruent. So the angles opposite of them are congruent. Then I can also do the converse of that. So if you remember when we talked about converse, we just switch the hypothesis and conclusion. And so I can basically switch this around and it's still going to be the same thing. And so basically, if two angles of a triangle are congruent, then the sides opposite of them are also congruent. So now instead I'm starting with two angles that are congruent, and so that means the sides opposite of them are also going to be congruent. And again, I mark that with these tick marks. So here I'm given that angle B is congruent to angle C, so therefore I can say that AB is congruent to AC. So that is it for this video. In the next video, we'll actually use these two theorems to solve some problems.